How to set a remainder for data in MS Excel by highlighting the cells. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the conditional formatting and a very simple formula in order to create a remainder that reminds you of a particular action by simply highlighting the cells. So as here you can see, in this particular data we have the name, the passport number and the expiry date of these passports. So what we will be going to do is simply create conditional formatting which will display that which passport has been already expired. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you need to click onto this home tab, and under the home tab go to the conditional formatting. Now from here you can click onto, you have different options, and you can click onto this highlight cells rule. So simply click onto this highlight cells rule, and from here you can choose this less than option. Once you click onto this less than option, you can see that currently it is showing the date. So it will automatically show the date as of today, that is 23rd of July 2025, and then you can have the option to fill it with a color. So you can choose any color that you want. So for example, let's say I will let it the default, that is light red fill with dark red text, and then you can click onto this OK button, and now you can see that it has easily highlighted that particular cell that has been already expired. So those entries with the expired passport are already highlighted using this simple trick. So that was all for this simple tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.